this is Annetta Powell coming to you live. I am at the No Excuses Summit, and I am with the twins. I'm telling you, they 22, young, making money in the internet industry. So I want you all to know that you can be young, you can be old, whatever the case may be, you can make money. So let's get some nuggets from them today. All right.
What's going on? What's going on, internet world? Ryan and Brian Tate coming live from Las Vegas, Nevada, from the No Excuses Summit, and we're excited to be here. One of the things that we just want to share with you guys is coming out to live events. How important it is to come out to live events. This is where you're going to build the relationships with people that can change your life and change your income, change your zip code, change your spouse, whatever you want to change about your life. That's going to happen after coming into a live event. So that's my nugget. I don't know if Brian, you want to share something?
Yeah.
Brian said it all. So get to the live event, network, build relationships. In 90 days, your life will be completely different.
Okay, that sounds real good, but you got to give us like one of those internet marketing like secrets. Give us one nugget.
Okay, internet marketing secrets. The biggest thing to your success is, as a lot of people will say, is building a list. But that, I'm gonna be frank, that shit doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is building a list that's responsive and that has a great relationship with you. It's the relationship that you have with your list. Because just having a list doesn't mean anything. You can have 1 million people on your list, and if they don't know who the hell you are, it doesn't mean a thing. You're not going to make money. But one of the things you want to do is provide value to your list. Begin building that list and providing value, and you'll kill it. You'll kill it. You'll see your income change overnight. I promise you.
Now you see why they making money in internet. So with all that said, I will see you on the other side of money, and thank you all so much. Bye.